Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to grow greens from seeds. First, select your preferred greens like lettuce or spinach and gather your supplies. You'll need a shallow container, about 3 inches deep, with good drainage. Fill it with a high-quality seed starting mix, ensuring it's moist but not waterlogged. This provides the best environment for tiny seeds to sprout successfully. Now it's time to plant. Sprinkle your chosen seeds thinly across the soil surface, aiming for about 1/4 inch between each seed. Then, lightly cover them with a very thin layer of soil, no more than 1/8 inch deep. Gently mist the surface with water to keep it consistently moist, which is crucial for germination. Place your container in a warm spot with indirect light. Once your seeds sprout, ensure they receive at least 6 hours of direct sunlight daily, or use a grow light for consistent growth. Keep the soil moist, but avoid overwatering. When seedlings develop their first true leaves, thin them to about 1 inch apart to give them space. You can start harvesting outer leaves when they are 4 to 6 inches tall, allowing the plant to continue producing. Sometimes, you might encounter common issues like pests or diseases. Regularly inspect your plants for aphids or other insects and address them quickly with organic solutions. Good air circulation is also key to preventing fungal problems. With a little care, you'll soon be enjoying fresh, homegrown greens. For more great tips and deals, including a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, check the description below. Happy gardening!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.